So as you can see, the foundation was not stable, the wood had rotted, so we wanted to change our location of the shed, and so we moved it to the back fence and had it forward facing instead of rear facing like it was. So we built our foundation out of 2x4s for our base, and then we put the OSB on the top. Okay, so we have started the painting process, and it's best to use the Rust-Oleum, the rust-proof paint for this project. Okay, so here we added new handles, and I wanted to beautify it, so I just added some hanging baskets and our family initial. Okay guys, hope that you are inspired. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
And turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time we do a video.